let your voice in your head start talking and saying things to you like, I'm not going to move, that's ridiculous. I'm an educator, I have a degree, I have a lot of debt, I'm not going to move. Okay? That's fine. By the way, how's that voice been working? And has it been helping you, or has it been criticizing you your whole entire life on who you should be, where you should be, and also evaluating how you are against every other person that you meet? The voice in your head is the one I'm talking about, that when you walk by a mirror and you go like that, that's the voice that starts, okay? So whatever designed us, put that voice in there for a reason. I don't know what it is. I don't know why. I think it's to make sure that majority of humans stay small, because imagine if you didn't have that voice in your head, you would be Kevin Hart and Oprah Winfrey and The Rock and Jim Carrey and every person that's just said, F this, I'm not going to go to high school because I think I'm going to go to Hollywood, and then they create something amazing and magical. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.